Hi, in this lesson, we're going to take a look at using search in Windows 10. Down here at the bottom on our taskbar in the lower left, you'll see we have a search box. And all we have to do is click in there and it will bring up this panel here, which allows us to search across our computer, in our OneDrive, even on the web. Let's take a look. Up here at the top, you'll see by default, all is selected. And like it says, it will help us find the most relevant results on this PC and the web. We can narrow that down. Maybe we just want to look for an app. We can click on apps here, and you'll see frequently used apps at the top and other apps that we have used recently. We can look for documents, and it's going to show us the most recent documents we used. We can simply search for things on the web. Notice when I select web, see down here in the search, it has web, and then the place for us to search. So if I wanted to search on the web, let's say that I wanted to look for the Hagia Sophia. Look at that. Found it right away. And I can click there and it'll take me right to those results on the internet. I can also go ahead and look in other places as well, like email, folders, music, people, photos, settings, and videos. Also in this web panel, we have quick searches down here for the weather, top news stories, today in history, and also right now, the coronavirus prevention. We see recent activities, things that we have looked at recently, whether they're on the web or documents that we have. And we can still choose to search for individual things. So let's go ahead. I'm simply going to type in welcome because I'm actually looking for this PowerPoint presentation. And I come over here to the right, you see that little arrow. If I click there, it gives me more information, like where the presentation is stored, which is here on my computer in the Documents folder, and it tells me when it was last modified. I can open this. I can open the file location, or I can copy the full path. It also shows me that it's found welcome in system settings. It's looking for the welcome screen here. It also found show Windows welcome in notifications. It can search the internet for welcome, see the web results. I can look for other documents. In my OneDrive for Business, there's a Word document called Welcome Letter. So it gives me a really thorough search experience. Now, let's go ahead and let's get back to here. There's also one other thing. This here, search with a screenshot. I'm going to show you how that works. Let's go ahead. I have a PowerPoint presentation open, and I'm actually even going to make this a little bit bigger. And I want to search for this image or images similar to that on the web. So I'm going to click here in my search and click on Search with a Screenshot. Notice up here at the top, I have a toolbar, and I can choose to do a full screen snip, window snip, freeform snip, or a rectangle snip. That's what I'm going to select, and I'm going to draw a rectangle around this image. And when I let go, look at that. It opens up search, and it's searching on the internet for similar images. And it found them. And this is actually probably the same place because this says San Diego, and that's where I took this picture, in San Diego. So lots of similar images. It's a pretty neat feature, if you ask me. So now you know a little bit more about using search in Windows 10. But that's it for this lesson. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.